Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I am going to be showing you all of the things that I picked out for Ryan at the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. Ryan was looking for like a brand new wardrobe, so we pretty much purged his whole entire closet and it took forever, but we made room for the new stuff. Whenever we went, I feel like I just got this like surge of energy to just get all kinds of swaggy, new, trendy outfits for Ryan for fall. So a lot of them are basic essentials and just like things that he has never really had before. You don't necessarily have to have a ton of money to go there and find some really good pieces. Everything, I think if you're like a card holder or whatever, you can get the discount. We actually did it with a 1K budget, which I feel like is really reasonable. Once you see everything we got, I feel like we really truly like just made bank. Quick pause, Ryan needs to go shower, so I am gonna get ready because we are going to the movies. So I'm gonna get ready. It's gonna take like 30 minutes probably for me, 2 seconds for you. And ta-da, I'm ready. I can't wait to go to our movie, but let's get it started with Ryan's try-on. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I just realized that I hadn't introduced my hubby yet to the video. So thank you for being here today, baby. We can't wait to show everyone your stylish and swaggy and trendy outfits. Let's go. Tell the people hello.
What's going on? I am Nadia's husband in this vlog, and I'm excited to be here because we have quite a bit of outfits for you to check out, and they are all inspired by yours truly.
So excited. Look number one, we got Swaggy Daddy up in the house. Some sweat shorts with some Air Force Ones. We didn't have these, so this was a huge staple piece for this. Do a little spin so we can see the graphic tee. This look is perfect for the airport, casual around the house. Number two, this is definitely probably my favorite look. I'm not gonna lie, babe. You look so freaking sexy and handsome. Holy cow. This is super soft, right?
This is some of the best material I've felt, so I don't know if this is like Pima cotton.
I'm not sure.
It is by, I can tell you,
Cotton Citizen. I already knew.
Cotton Citizen. And
super
so, yes.
cute. We had to come in my office really quick so he could check this out in the full-length mirror. We've got some Cole Haans, all whited out. He didn't have any of these. Say hello to the pups.
So what's
These are some black skinny straight leg denim, right? And they have some, they're a little bit like destroyed, so you can kind of see the cutouts. And then we have the short sleeve Henley. It is just chef's kiss on you, honey bun. Okay, next styled is this white longer cut tee. Super soft. Ryan said this is an Open Edit brand, I think. And then we got some more of these sweater jogger shorts. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but these are a vibe. Everyone wears them with the Air Forces. This look is classic. Look number 5. We've got the burnt orange shirt because Ryan is a Longhorns fan, aren't you, baby? I'm just joking. Oh, dang. Okay, maybe he really is. And we've got, okay, so these are just like the black ones, but a lighter wash. Distressed. I would say these are more of a straight leg. And then again, with the all white Air Force Ones.
We got this beautiful Robert Barack. I love this color. Similar. It's more of this tan color. The third option is a nice fall color here. We have Good Life in gray, and we have Open Edit in hunter green.
Thanks for watching the try on. If you made it this far, be sure to tell us which one's your favorite. And of course, thanks, babe.
Drop a comment. Let us know which outfit you like best. I love them all.
All right, it's actually the next day. Happy Sunday, everybody. We just did church, and I have decided to finally purge my closet. I was so inspired by going through all of Ryan's stuff and decided to volunteer him to help me go through my things as well, since I did that with him. So let's go through my closet. When we were purging out Ryan's closet, he was having a hard time with giving a few things away. So I need your support to help give my things away, okay?
This will be fun.
So are you going to help me? You have to give me your word that you're gonna help me. If there's something in there and I'm like, oh my gosh, I remember wearing this in high school. It has such great memories. What are you gonna say?
I'm gonna say take at least 50% of the clothes you have in there and let's give it away.
Okay, deal. I'm going a little bit crazy, just getting rid of everything, but honestly, this is crazy, for real. And I have 2 more closets here in this house. I know, it's a lot. One more room to go in my office. That is what I like to call a successful closet clean out. I feel like my closet is so much cleaner right now. I feel like I can breathe in it and like see what the heck is actually going on right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, I appreciate you so much. Love you even more, and be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below.